Hi, this is Tim from HTC with the desktop charging station with spare battery slot for the HTC Sensation 4G. This is a great dock. It allows you to recharge and sync your Sensation, as well as charge any of your spare batteries for your smartphone in the rear. This dock has a glossy finish, as you can see here. It has dual LED lights, one over here, one over here. On the bottom, there are these rubberized feet which keep your dock planted on the table or any other surface that you may use it on. On the rear, it has a mini USB port. This is a very easy to use dock. It's pretty much plug and play. Upside down phone. This has been Tim with HTC with the desktop charging dock with spare battery slot.